One of my greatest strengths is my strong business acumen and analytical ability. In my previous role, I led a team in optimizing a company-wide process that reduced operational cost by 20%. I enjoy using data-driven decision-making to drive results and improve efficiency. Another key strength is my leadership and ability to work with diverse teams. I've had the opportunity to manage professionals from different cultural and professional backgrounds, and I make it a priority to foster an environment of openness, collaboration, and integrity. For example, I recently led a project with team members across multiple time zones, ensuring clear communication and alignment, which resulted in a successful product launch ahead of schedule. As for weakness, I used to struggle with delegating tasks because I wanted to ensure everything met my high standards. However, I've worked on this by trusting my team more and mentoring them to take ownership of their work. This not only improved efficiency but also helped develop future leaders within the team. Overall, I believe my strengths and analytical thinking, leadership, and teamwork combined with my commitment to continuous growth make me well suited for this role.